Hi there, Agi from Redmenta here. Struggling to come up with engaging, age-appropriate science investigations using everyday materials? Let's make science more exciting and hands-on for your students. Our Science Investigation Assistant generates practical, engaging science experiments quickly and easily. To get started, go to the AI Assistant Hub. Choose Science, then Science Investigations, and input your subject, grade, language, and topic. Let's say Chemistry, Grade 9, English, and Solids and Liquids. Click Start, and the assistant creates 5 investigation ideas. Each includes a detailed materials list and step-by-step instructions. Review the generated investigations and choose the most suitable for your class. When you're ready, prepare materials based on the provided list. Implement the investigation in class, or assign it as a homework project. To get the most out of it, use these investigations to make science more tangible. Adapt the experiments for classroom or home use, and encourage students to conduct investigations independently. Ready to bring science to life with easy-to-implement, hands-on experiments? Give our Science Investigation Assistant a try and let us know what you think.